This is Jim Slane, Kettering, Ohio, 614-470-2356. Repairing this bay window. It had Z-brick all the way down. They just glued it to the Celotex. It had severe framing rot damage. So I had to redo everything. Redoing it all now out of hardy board. Custom making the metal caps so they don't get any more water around in the windows. We do all kinds of work: brick, masonry, stone, all carpentry work, hardy board, stucco repair, roof repair, chimney, fireplace, all masonry. Again, 614-470-2356. If you need work done to repair other contractors' work, give us a call. We've been around since 1987. Thanks for watching.